Hello, what's up everyone? My name is Robert and welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the similar traits between singing and speaking. When we speak, when we organize our words into sentences, we utilize the cognitive, the logical part of the brain, which is the left hemisphere. But when we sing, we utilize the right hemisphere of the brain, which is responsible for creativity and emotion. So now you might go thinking like, why do I need singing for my speaking if we use different parts of the brain, right? Kind of doesn't help us, right? No, it does. It does help a lot because we want our speaking to be expressive. We should utilize both hemispheres of the brain when we speak because integrating singing and speaking will enhance your communication skill to the next level. When speaking, most people have only short words that go to another word. To many people, speaking is only about throwing words away from our mouth without any variation in the pitch, pace, tone, melody, volume, which are the building blocks, which are the elements of a voice. There's a misconception that many people have with regard to speaking, and that is that speaking is only about words, which is absolutely wrong. But when we come to singing, some words are short and some words are long, which is called duration. And when we sing, there is a melody, there is a variation in the pitch, the pace, the tone, the melody, the volume, the tonality, which are the beautiful elements of the voice. But you know what? In this modern age, communication is not only about words, because how we say something is much important than what we say. There are a lot of differences between singing and speaking. Point number one, our voice is a musical instrument. Our voice is a communication tool. Like in a musical instrument such as a piano, there are 88 keys, 88 notes. Likewise, in our voice, there are different notes and different keys. So in both singing or in speaking, we can play with the different notes and the different keys in our voice. So whether when we sing or when we speak, we can play with the different notes and we are using the same instrument, that is our voice, in both singing and speaking. Point number two, in both singing and speaking, we can utilize the 5 core elements of a voice, that is pitch, pace, tone, melody, and volume. Number one is pitch, that is how high or how low you speak. Pace, how fast or how slow you speak. Tone, how airy or how easy your voice is, how you emphasize certain words, how you strain certain words, that is tonality. Tone. Volume, how loud or how soft you speak. Melody is nothing but the rhythm, the intonation in your voice and in your speech. Point number three is about emotion. A song can move a person from different states of emotion, maybe from a happy emotion to sad emotion, maybe to an angry emotion. Likewise, when you speak, if you can play very well with your voice, you can move a person to different emotions, maybe to an exciting emotion, maybe to a happiness emotion. Likewise, when you speak, if you can play with your voice perfectly, if you can play with your voice nicely, then you can move a person to different states of emotion. So there are a lot of similarities between singing and speaking. This is it for today's video. See you in the next video.